What's up, y'all? Hey, it's me back again. This that baked macaroni and cheese. I'm doing this for one of the subscribers. She, I ain't gonna tell you which one yet until I talk to him. They asked me to do it. I did it, and let me show you how I did it. Let's get it. What's up, everybody? It's me, your boy, once again, Robert the Cook. You understand me? Check it out. We're gonna do some baked macaroni. Baked macaroni and cheese. One of the subscribers, you know, this is what he asked me. This is what he wanted, so I'm gonna do that for him. This is my macaroni back here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna pour this off while we talking. Listen, I already cooked this. It doesn't take but a minute. As soon as it starts boiling, take that off. Take that off. I had to do that real quick. All right, so check it out. About 3 tablespoons of butter I'm putting in here. I'm gonna slide this right here. I'm gonna put my flour in here. Bam, just like that right there. There's my butter. I'm gonna put my flour in. I'm gonna put the milk in. We're gonna start cooking this thing, and it's gonna go kind of quick. Y'all hear it sizzling already. So we're gonna add this flour in a little bit at a time, and I'm not gonna use this the whole time. Gotta use this. Yep. Put a little bit more of that in there. This is that baked macaroni, you understand me? This is a classic. I could have got crazy with it, which eventually I'm going to. You know what I'm saying? You know I'm gonna do that lobster mac, that shrimp mac, that Cajun mac. You know what I'm talking about? Right now, we're gonna do a new version of an old school classic. This is gonna be on your creamier side. You know what I'm talking about? Put that in there a little bit at a time. You know, this right here, this is your, well, you can say it's your rule. We're gonna leave it blind though, which means we're not gonna keep cooking this until it turns brown. We're gonna leave it blind just like that, because we're making this a cheese sauce. Yeah. Now, you see it's all clumped up like that? See that? Now you're gonna start adding your milk a little bit at a time.
This milk, this is a cup of milk. Well, it's a little more than a cup. It's like a cup and 3/4.
No, 1.25 cups, my bad. Talking too fast. This is that good old-fashioned vitamin D. You understand me? Now listen, it's gonna start going fast. If it's going too fast, turn your heat down. Turn your heat down. Now you're gonna see me adding all of this real quick. You want to stop that macaroni from cooking. Got to stop that macaroni from cooking. All right. Now, we're going to start adding my little cheese to this. I'm talking kind of fast because it's going kind of fast. You know what I'm talking about? You start adding your cheese. Just keep adding it to it and keep stirring. Keep stirring. Right now, it's kind of dry and tight. You know. I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. See how it go? You start to make that cheese sauce. Put a little bit more. I'm mixing them all at the same time. A little bit at a time. Just keep going. Keep going. Keep stirring. Then you add some more. Now, we're gonna save that little bit of cheese right there. Put a little bit more milk in there, just a little bit, just a little bit, just to loosen it up a little bit, you know? Just like that. Keep mixing, don't panic. Number 1 rule in cooking and in a whole lot of things, just don't panic. Keep going. This is a simple one for y'all today. Just like that. See how smooth that is? You can use this for nachos. You can use this for a whole lot of stuff that you would use cheese for. Pretzels. You know what I'm saying? This is your basic cheese sauce right here, y'all. That's a yellow American, sharp American. It's that grown folks cheese. It's that white cheddar and that Monterey Jack. See what I'm talking about? Now this is where you want it. This is how you want it. Nice and smooth, no lumps, anything like that. Now, I like to sprinkle my seasons in closer to the end, like when it's done. So I can see it, I can measure it, and I can tell pretty much by looking at it if it's gonna need more seasons or not. Same heat. See what I'm saying? Now, if you was gonna do this for nachos, the only thing you would add to this is salt. See that right there? Now, that's all I'm gonna add to this. I'm not gonna add no more seasonings right now. Maybe later, but right now, no. Because you don't want to over salt this cheese. This cheese right here is gonna be in everywhere. See that? All right. This is what we're gonna do. Now, this is the part I didn't tell y'all. I'm not putting this in the oven, but if you have an oven and that's what you're using, between 350, 375 for about 30 minutes. Pull it out, put this remaining cheese that we have left, put that on the top. Don't cover it, put it back in, let that melt, take it out when it's browning, not when it's burnt or anything, and let that stand. Now, when you pull it out, it's still gonna be cooking because it's hot, especially that macaroni. Now, this is my macaroni. What you wanna do with this macaroni is you wanna get it in that, you wanna start cooking it. As soon as it starts cooking, try and get all the moisture I can out of it. As soon as it starts cooking, you want to take it out because you know this has got to go in the oven. This is just a small little bit. Now look. Yeah. If you at home, you're going to go ahead and pour this in a little bit at a time and mix it. Now look, you want to fold this in. Talking about this macaroni cheese, you hear me? 3 different cheeses. Yep, I'm not gonna lie. Usually I'll do 3 or 4 different cheeses because I can, and you can too. See that? Get that in there. You want a lot of cheese. Just like that. Just keep doing that. All right, now check it out. I'm gonna finish folding this in here. I'm gonna get this together, and then I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna put it in the smoker. I'm not using the oven. I got that smoker, that pellet smoker. Y'all didn't seen it before. You seen me do a number of things in it. I'm gonna put this in there, 375, 30 minutes. I'm gonna go out there, I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna put more cheese on the top. I'm not gonna put the top on it at that point. I'm gonna leave it in, I'm gonna bring it back, and it's gonna be done. I'm gonna clean all this up. Well, somebody is. It's gonna be clean. You did. So, be right back at you. All right, y'all. Hey, y'all seen me put it together. Y'all seen me cooking. Now, y'all know most of the time, this is done in a square dish. And if y'all like me, from the country, you know the elders, they get that corner. Everybody wants the corner. Well, I ain't make a corner this time. I made it round. Look at it. Yep, I made that thing round. So everybody get a corner. Nobody gotta go cut a switch, none of that. It ain't gonna stick. It's that real good cheese in there. All right. Yes, goodness. Ooh, wait. Yup, you see it. That's that macaroni and cheese, you understand me? This is how you do it. It's got all the little cheese in there. All the little, you know, seasonings. Got the little crunchy outside. You know what I'm talking about? That's the real deal right there. This is what you make for traditional holidays and different things like that. Oh, hey, Friday, when you're hungry, baby. Let me tell you something. I almost cussed. This is delicious. Monterey Jack, that sharp American cheddar, the white and the yellow, mixed together with the little seasonings. This is one of those things you can mix yourself, your seasonings and stuff. You just want salt and pepper, traditional, bam, there you go. This is old school. What I mean by that? Old school with a new school twist. It's creamy, like new school, but it's got that crust, like old school. You know what I mean? So this is the best of both worlds. Y'all better try this one. Get you some. But, it's so good, got me shaking, you understand me? Delicious. So without further ado, I'm gonna invite y'all to get up out of my kitchen. 2 and 2, baby. Who's better than us? We out. Peace.